Doreen Grand-Pichet is the
Dr. Doreen is an expert in autism.
Doreen Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet is a visionary in the field of autism. Now you can ask her questions on Ask Dr. Doreen. Parker says dentists are a lifesaver. I still have trouble brushing my teeth properly. Having a younger sister studying to be a dental assistant does help. I'm sure that does. But then a follow-up question, Sarah says, thanks for answering my question, but what about the dental instruments? I've heard that they are made of aluminum, and my son's tests show high toxicity, so this is another concern for me, putting the aluminum instruments in his mouth more often, and what is your thought? Can I just say that I just did a bunch of research on this because I was looking for a new dentist, and we live here in Los Angeles, and there is a big movement here. I don't think it's just in Los Angeles for green dentists. And I don't know what the word is, Dr. Grand-Pichet, maybe, you know, it's like bio something dentistry, and it's more holistic, and they are a little bit more careful about what the instruments they put are in, what things they do fillings with. They're wildly expensive, and most insurance doesn't cover them. But there's one guy that I found here in LA that before he'll see you, he has you do a blood test to see what you're allergic to before he sticks anything in your mouth. Wow. Which, you know, I think a lot of people would say is really excessive, but if you're somebody who's really reactive to things, I could see myself doing it.
Absolutely. And why not? And you know, also it takes a little bit of research, right? Every town that you live in, finding the right person. But first of all, I don't know if the instruments are made of aluminum. I don't know if they are. I don't think they are, but I don't know.
I'm allergic to nickel, so I'm always looking things up, and everything that I found said that there's surgical steel.
Steel, exactly. That's what I thought. So the other thing is, you know, call around. There are actually dentists who not only are familiar with all of these issues of, you know, allergy and reactions, but they're also very familiar with autism. I mean, I did several trainings over the years for groups of dentists who wanted to learn sort of how to manage and how to make the experience more positive for an individual with autism. So I know that there are dentists who have that training, and you definitely want to try to find someone who does understand a little bit about the sensory sensitivities associated with autism.
There we go.
I want to say with the dentist, I found, and you know, some dentists will have TVs in their offices, and I think it's so incredibly helpful to have, even if you go with a dentist who doesn't, just to take an iPad, play something on there for your child while they're having the procedures done, and it is much, much better because the child is somewhat distracted.
Okay, Amanda wrote in and said Hum, H-U-M, which is put out by Colgate, makes great apps. It shows the kid in the app and the teeth sections, directing them where to brush, and provides them with visual rewards for doing it. That's fantastic. And Ka says, I take my son to a pediatric dentist, and she understands special needs and works amazingly with my son. Absolutely. We love hearing those stories, you guys. If you found anything helpful in this video, please give us a like. In fact, make sure that you smash that subscribe button on YouTube and give us a like on Facebook. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for important updates. And please download our free podcast wherever you get your podcasts. See you next time. Until then, give your kiddos a hug from me and one for you too. Bye-bye for now. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.